So this is our LED magnifier lamp, one of our best sellers. You know, lighting is so important when you're in your workshop or really just working on anything. And this is a very convenient model. It comes essentially fully assembled. You just have to, add the clamp to your bench top, and it sticks right in. There are 90 strong LED lights. There's 1,000 lux in these lights, so that's quite a bit of light. It also have this handy magnifier that can get up to 1.75x to see things. It works up to 13 inches away from your workspace, and however you want to get closer to it, you can. It's great for looking at electronic pieces or any kind of miniature that you're working with if you're doing some painting. And so this is a great product, multi-versatile. Use it all over the home, but especially in the workshop. The LED lamp magnifier, shadow-free, cool light, just an ideal device for looking at small things.